That was a cop. What's going on, guys? I'm going to meet up with my buddy right now. I think he's got a he just got a new, like, it's like a dirt bike, enduro. I don't know. I'll have to ask him. It's a something 250.
Damn, she's looking sexy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But he can put his knee on it and everything too. Ooh. Yeah, but I guess I can talk to you guys about the mods I want to do for the 600. See ya. Yeah, see what's the first thing? The first thing I wanted to get next is I need a steering stabilizer, because without it, it's so scary without a steering stabilizer, because this wheel comes up in like first and second, or even if you get like a little bump in your wheels in the air, you can start getting speed wobble, and that shit's so scary. So I think I need to get a steering stabilizer. It's like 600-700 bucks, but it's so worth it. I don't know why it doesn't come with one. I wish, I mean, it's 2020, I wish it came with one. But it doesn't, so that's cool, I guess. I was just getting myself. I had traction control off. Pop a little one. That was a cop. That's how you start a video off, baby. Ooh, I got a cramp. Haven't been on the bike in a minute. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, well, what's the second mod I want to get? The second thing I want to do, I want to flash the ECU. I need to flash it. Yep. Yeah, once because I think the max speed on this is like 160, but I think when you flash the ECU, it smooths the, I don't know, like the throttle control, so it's not as like I don't know, it's just more smooth, I think. I don't know if it changes when the fans kick on, because I think right now the fans kick on at like 220. Yo, did you see that cop?
Yeah, I think it was animal control though.
Yeah.
It said something on the side, and I don't think it was a cop.
Okay, it looked like one.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I was like, oh fuck.
Damn, dude. The wheel just flies up in first. It's so fun. But yeah, that's like one of the second mods I want to get. Oh, a third one that I really want to is I want to move these. I mean, it's a small mod. I want to take the mirrors off and get maybe bar end mirrors. Chase a bitch. But yeah, that's like one of the third mods is the mirrors. What else do I want to do to it? Because it already has an exhaust. Yeah, honestly, I've been riding with these wired headphones, like the Apple ones, and I honestly like them. Because like I could just switch the song because they have that little button, like, I don't know, it's like right by my neck. I just double tap that shit. I don't have to reach for my phone or anything. I need a slipper clutch. Oh yeah, that's what I need. I need a slipper clutch too, and a quick shifter. Yeah, how did I forget that? I need a quick shifter, man. That's like the fifth thing I want. I think I can install that myself. Yeah, quick shifters. Oh man, when I rode my buddies. If you haven't watched that video, you know, watch it right now. I can link it in the description. Yeah, quick shifters make a world of a difference, dude. Like after that, I didn't even want to ride with my bike. Shit. No, I'm just kidding. And then an auto blipper, that'd be nice. So you like.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ah, God. I hate Ohio roads. But yeah, those are some of those are like pretty much all the mods that I want to do. really think there's any other mods. I thought of doing all carbon fiber. I was like, ooh. Oh, it feels so good to be riding again. Shit. What's up, homeboy? But yeah, it's just a little ride. My buddy, talk about what mods I want next. Alright, let's shred these roads. My favorite road, you already know. He's already gone. I don't want to go too nuts because the roads look a little wet. Oh, of course they're wet. And I don't know how warm my tires are. This should be pretty warm though.
Like the world was ending, we pretend that it's alright, it's alright, it's alright.
Yeah, I need to get my bike in some corners too because I don't want no freaking bald spots on my tire. You know, like where the center is just like bald because obviously you're riding on it. You're not in any corners. And the corners look like brand new. Yeah, you can't have that.
Would you stay through the night? Would you stay through the night?
Nope, yes sir.
Would you stay through the night? No, we never talk like this, but
Yeah,
these
it's
are hard
sketchy.
times. Scared of it more than ever.
Hey, but I did order something. I did order something, baby. I may have ordered that new rock helmet, the Nebula. Ooh, the all carbon fiber and like it has like the blue and the purple. I'll throw a picture up. But holy shit, it looks so good.
These things that I wonder, would you be my lifeline? I'm yours if you be mine. Would you stay here by my side? If I feel like
Yeah, I'm hyped about that though. The helmet looks so sick. I gotta wait for this dude. I wasn't even going that fast. Where'd he go? We lost him in the dust.
How long were you waiting?
30 minutes. No, I'm just kidding. No, I was waiting. It's been like a minute, if that. Not even.
I've never been this way.
You never been through this road?
Oh, this is wrong.
Didn't you like the road? I didn't go that fast because the roads are wet, so I didn't want to like.
I started slipping. I'm like, damn, I'm gone.
Yeah. There's a good road up here too. We'll shred that up. And I love when she swallowed. good. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here, go for a little fun ride with my buddy, and talk about some of the mods that I want next. Like that's like pretty much it. Other than that, my bike's probably done. But yeah, I plan on holding on to this bike because they're not making them anymore. But yeah, if you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up. Comment, subscribe, baby. Tell your friend about the video or something, you know. But yeah, ride safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Over and out.